Hi friends, this is Sogand. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet Irish crochet lace flower. This video is dedicated to you friends, so let's see. Start with the magic ring and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Make 15 double crochets in this ring. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Pull the tail into tighten, make a slip stitch, insert chain. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains. Yarn over, insert your hook in same stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first, loops, yarn over, insert your hook in same stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first, loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, chain 2. Yarn over, insert your hook in next stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first, loops, yarn over, insert your hook in same stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first, loops, yarn over, insert your hook in same stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first, loops, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops to make a bubble stitch, chain 2 and repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook in next stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over, insert your hook in same stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over, insert your hook in same stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loops, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 2 and repeat. I crocheted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, chain 2, skip first chain, insert your hook in next stitch, then make a slip stitch, chain 1, make a single crochet in the space of 2 chains, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, then make a single crochet in next space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, then make a single crochet in next space, chain 5 and keep going. At the end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. At the end, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Then make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Make a slip stitch in first space, chain 1, then make a single crochet in same space, chain 3, make 5 double crochets in next space, This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, then make a single crochet in next space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, make 5 double crochets in next space. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, then make a single crochet in next space, chain 3 and keep going. At the end of the round, chain 3, then make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. I appreciate for your consideration and for your time. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. If you like this video, please share the link with your friends. Like and subscribe for more video tutorials. Bye.